Hello guys, welcome back. So the topic of our day is factors and multiples. So we will begin with a little bit of examples regarding multiples first of all. So let's begin that what is a multiple exactly. First of all we will understand. Okay. So multiple is obtained by multiplying the number with the same or another number. दैट मीन्स व्हाट इज अ मल्टीपल. मल्टीपल एक ऐसा नंबर होता है जिसे हम उस नंबर को उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करके निकालते हैं या फिर किसी और नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करके निकाल लेते हैं. ठीक है. अच्छा, अब बारी आती है कि मल्टीपल को हम लोग फाइंड कैसे करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई हैव टेकन अ नंबर 17 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2, so the answer will be 34. See, so this product which I have find, that is 34, is a multiple of 17. Okay. For example, now I take 9 multiplied by 9, so it will be 81. So see, in the first equation I have multiplied 17 into 2, that is another number multiplied. So now 34 is a multiple of 17. And in the second one I have taken 9 multiplied by 9, which is 81. So I have multiplied the number with the same number. Now 81 is a multiple of 9. यानी 81 जो हमारा है वो 9 का मल्टीपल है. ठीक है. ये होते हैं हमारे मल्टीपल्स. Now there are some of the properties which we need to study before proceeding with further. So the first property says every number is a multiple of 1. So what does that mean? When you multiply any number with 1, you will get the same number. So for every number 1 is a multiple. That is, we will get one multiple from 1 only. See what I say. 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. Or if I write like 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5. So now I can say that 5 is a multiple of 5 also and 5 is a multiple of 1 also. So whenever we write 1 multiplied by 99, so what it will be 99. So now I guess you are sure that 1 will be the same. So for every number is a multiple of 1. यानी सभी numbers 1 के multiple होते हैं. Clear? Now let's move on to another property which says every number is a multiple of itself. See, when I have written 5 multiplied by 1, so it gave me 5. So what does that mean? That 5 is a multiple of 5. Second property is also satisfied, that for every number is a multiple of itself. यानी हर एक नंबर खुद का ही मल्टीपल होता है. ओके. Now let's move on to another property which says multiple is greater or equal to the number. Just let's find out what this property exactly wants to tell us. If I write 5 multiplied by 1, so that will be 5. 5 multiplied by 1 will be 5. So now if I say that when we increase the number, that means this number I will increase. So 5 multiplied by 2 will be 10. 5 multiplied by 3 will be 15. 5 multiplied by 4 will be 20. So now you can see that either the number will be equal to the number, यानी जब हमने 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 5 के बराबर है. So the multiple is equal to the number. In the rest of the cases the multiple is greater than the number. यानी कि 10 भी 5 से बड़ा है, 15 भी 5 से बड़ा है, 20 भी 5 से बड़ा है. तो जैसे जैसे हमारा ये वाला नंबर इंक्रीज होता जाएगा वैसे वैसे हमारा मल्टीपल भी इंक्रीज होता जाएगा. तो या तो हमारा मल्टीपल नंबर के बराबर होगा और या फिर हमारा नंबर मल्टीपल के बड़ा होगा. फाइन. Now let's move on to another property which says limitless multiples. It means that there is no limit to the number of multiples. See, if I multiply 5 into 100, that will be 500, and if I multiply 5 into 1 lakh, so the answer would be 5 lakhs. And if I multiply 5 multiplied by 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, so the answer would be 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5, that is 55,555. So there are limitless multiples that you may find, because the counting will be limitless, so the multiple will also be limitless. There is no limit to the multiples. Now the last property says no largest multiple. This means that there will be no largest multiple when we are multiplying. Similarly, if there are limitless multiples, so there will be no largest multiple also. जब हमारे पास लिमिट ही नहीं है मल्टीपल्स निकालने की, तो लार्जेस्ट मल्टीपल कैसे निकालेंगे? लार्जेस्ट तो हम तब निकाल पाएंगे ना जब हमें एक पता होगा कि ये एक लिमिट है, इससे ऊपर मल्टीपल नहीं निकाल सकते हम. तो जब हमारे पास वो लिमिट ही नहीं है तो लार्जेस्ट मल्टीपल भी हमारा नहीं होगा. So these are the few of the properties which tell us about the multiples. The first property says every number is a multiple of 1. यानी सारे नंबर्स 1 के मल्टीपल होते हैं. Every number is a multiple of itself. सभी नंबर्स खुद के भी मल्टीपल होते हैं. Multiple is greater or equal to the number. That means या तो मल्टीपल हमारे नंबर के बराबर होगा और या तो नंबर से बड़ा होगा. Limitless multiples, there are uncountable limitless multiples we can find. Okay, no largest multiple. So when there is limitless multiples, when there are limitless multiples, so there will no largest multiple. जब हमारे पास लिमिट ही नहीं है फाइंड करने की, तो हमारा आंसर हर बार बढ़ता चला जाएगा. So there is no limit to the multiples and also there is no largest multiple. Okay, so now let's move on to the topic of factors. So now let's begin the topic of factors. What is a factor first of all? So let's understand what is a factor exactly. Two or more numbers multiplied to obtain the given number is known as its factors. So that means when two or more numbers are multiplied to obtain a particular number that is given to us will be its factors. For example, if I multiply 2 into 4, that will be 8. So 2 and 4 are factors of 8. 5 into 3 is 15. So 5 and 3 are the factors of 15. So whenever two or more numbers are multiplied to obtain a number, those numbers will be known as its factors. Okay, so now here comes the topic of properties. So first of all, let's understand what are the basic properties of a factor. So the first property says 1 is a factor of every number. What does that mean? That 1 is a factor of every number. So in that case, if I say that whenever you multiply 1 to a given number, that number will be the factor of the same number. So simply, if I multiply any number by 7, so the answer would be 7. The answer would be 7. So 1 is a factor of every number, because you have to multiply 1 to a particular number to obtain that number. You have to multiply the 1 to the same number to obtain the number. So 1 is a factor of every number. So the first property you have understood. Now let's move on to the next properties. The next property says every number is a factor of itself. For example, when you are writing 1 multiplied by 11, that is 11, and if you write 11 multiplied by 1, that will be also 11. So 1 is also a factor and 11 is also a factor. So 1 is a factor of every number and the number will be a factor of itself. यानी 1 तो हमारा हर किसी का फैक्टर होगा ही होगा, और जो नंबर हमें दिया गया है जिसके फैक्टर्स फाइंड करने हैं उसका एक फैक्टर वो नंबर खुद भी होगा. क्लियर? नाउ let's move on to another example, that is factor is smaller or equal to the number. That means if I write 1 multiplied by 7, that will be 7. Okay, and if I write 7 multiplied by 1, that will also be 7. Now let's take any other example. For if I have taken 16, so 1 into 16 is 16, 2 into 8 is also 16, 4 into 4 is 16, now 8 into 2 is 16, and 16 into 1 is also 16. So now you can see that if 16 is there, 1 is smaller, 2 is also smaller, 4 is also smaller, 8 is also smaller, and 16 is equal to 16. That means either जो हमारे फैक्टर्स आ रहे हैं वो या तो नंबर के बराबर होंगे और या नंबर से छोटे होंगे. तो द फैक्टर्स आर स्मॉलर और इक्वल टू द नंबर. नाउ स्मॉलेस्ट फैक्टर इज 1. You can see the smallest factor is 1 over here because it is the smallest number. So 1 is the smallest factor of every number, and largest factor is itself. That means as you can see for 16, 16 is the largest factor because all the numbers are lesser than 16. So both the properties have been satisfied. Now here comes limited factors. इससे ज़्यादा factors नहीं हो सकते. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर मैं इसके बाद किसी भी नंबर को किसी से भी मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो या तो 16 आएगा ही नहीं और या तो 16 से बड़ा नंबर आ जाएगा, यानी छोटा या बड़ा आएगा लेकिन 16 नहीं आएगा हमारा. ठीक है, जब तक कि उसे डेसिमल या फ्रैक्शन में लेके नहीं चलेंगे. तो यहाँ हमें सिर्फ नेचुरल नंबर्स की बात करनी है. ठीक, तो हमारे जो फैक्टर्स हैं वो क्या हो जाएंगे, इतने. सो देयर आर लिमिटेड फैक्टर्स ऑल्सो. सो आई होप नाउ यू आर क्लियर विद द टॉपिक ऑफ फैक्टर्स एंड मल्टीपल्स. Just let's revise the properties of factors once again. 1 is a factor of every number. That means हर एक नंबर का फैक्टर 1 जरूर होगा. Every number is a factor of itself. जो नंबर हमें दिया गया है उसका एक फैक्टर वो खुद भी है. Factor is smaller or equal to the number. यानी जो हमारा फैक्टर है वो या तो फैक्टर के बराबर होगा और या उससे कम होगा. यानी जितने भी फैक्टर्स है या तो वो नंबर के बराबर होंगे या नंबर से छोटे होंगे. स्मॉलेस्ट फैक्टर इज 1. सबसे छोटा फैक्टर हमारा क्या होगा, 1. लार्जेस्ट फैक्टर इज इटसेल्फ. सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर क्या होगा, वो नंबर खुद. यानी उसके बीच में जितने भी फैक्टर्स आ सकते हैं उससे बड़ा कोई भी फैक्टर नहीं आएगा. लिमिटेड फैक्टर्स. अब जब हमें सबसे बड़ी चीज़ पता है तो उससे छोटे ही मिलेंगे हमें, तो लिमिटेड हो गए कि इतने ही निकलेंगे. तो फैक्टर्स आर ऑल्सो लिमिटेड. सो नाउ if you have any queries, any suggestions or any advices, you can just drop down in the comment box, and best of luck.